Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Ma'am Jeannie, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A comprehensive deep cleaning service was performed on the desktop computer to improve airflow, cooling efficiency, and overall system performance. Over time, dust and debris had built up inside the system, particularly around the CPU cooler, power supply, motherboard, RAM slots, and graphics card, leading to reduced cooling performance and potential overheating risks. The process began with carefully shutting down and disassembling the system unit. Using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and precision cleaning tools, dust was removed from all internal components, including fans, heat sinks, and ventilation areas. The CPU cooler was inspected. An old thermal paste was replaced with a high-quality compound to enhance heat transfer and maintain stable operating temperatures. All fans, including those on the case, CPU, and GPU, were thoroughly cleaned to restore smooth rotation and proper airflow. The power supply unit and storage bays were also cleaned to ensure stable performance and prevent overheating. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.